What's going on, you guys? I'm not gonna bore you to death with a lot of talking before the video, so I'm gonna get right to it. My tubing bender came in. This is the JD Squared Model 32. It's the manual ratcheting one. It's not the hydraulic powered one. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get just some reinforcement going from there to the frame, and maybe a small brace at the bottom of the frame right there, probably going from that end to that end. Something to help hold the radiator up. Yeah, this is the part I've been waiting for, and I've always wanted to bend tubes, so learn with me, because I don't know what I'm doing. So I went ahead and I got some 3/4 inch pipe. So I'm gonna make a radiator support and headlight and fender support bar. And I want this one to be removable so that pulling the engine out will be easy. So I have this plate I made right here, and I already bent up this 3/4 inch pipe with the tubing bender. So I'm just working on these little support pipes right here that are just gonna go like that. And it's gonna hold that on there, and it's gonna make it removable. I'll probably end up putting one more somewhere up there. I have the whole front end done up too. All I need is power steering cooler, because my power steering was boiling the last time, and some hood latches mounted up to this tube front end. So the wiring is just about done on this thing. I have all of the fuel lines and the wiring to the fuel tank done. This is the rest of the harness for just the tail lights, as well as a fan switch right there for my electric fan. I also got the LEDs wired in. These are the daytime running lights. Those are the standard headlights. I'd spent some time making this flange just for a cold air intake, just to get rid of the stock intake. No exact reason why. I also wanted to practice up on my aluminum TIG, which still needs some practice, but you know, practice makes perfect. So it would fit nicely right there. It's, you know, perfect, but you know, if I'm gonna be cutting and welding, then I'm just gonna do my own thing. So my buddy gave me this True Fuel container, and I'm just gonna mount it somewhere right there. Just make a quick little bracket. Yeah, I'm gonna make that real quick.